Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Fork plus hit me not. Fork, hit me not. Forget me not. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Cymraeg.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our show, and welcome also to our newcomer, the young lady on my right. Her name is Diane Lopez.
Hi.
Hello, Diane. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Southern California.
What you do?
Right now I'm currently home caring for my twin infant daughters, Jordan and Amber.
Oh, good for you. Jordan and Amber. How old are they?
We'll be celebrating their one-year birthday this month.
Oh, they're so special. One in each arm. That's great. You met our champion?
Sure
Ed
have.
Ewing. He's back with us. He picked up $5,373 on our last program, and he's raring to go here today.
Raring to go.
He is an automobile salesman.
Don't take it around, Alex. Come on.
Oh, sorry. Take a look over here, guys. We've got a good prize to start us off in game one.
Oneida Silversmith's punch bowl set with floral and scroll motif. Punch bowl, cups, ladle, and tray in fine silver plate, furnished by Oneida Silversmiths.
And where are we hiding the silver? We'll show you right now. It's behind number 25. Remember where you saw it. A holiday in Puerto Vallarta. And $800 in the cash pot, Diane, and you get to pick first. Two numbers, please.
Okay, why don't we start with number 2, please?
Good place to start if you like fishing, because we've got some fishing equipment there.
Okay, and let's see if we can find a match or a wild card to number 12.
Fishing equipment. Good beginning for Diane Lopez. Put it up. Show her. Pick again.
Okay, why don't we look at number 9, please?
Leather garment bag.
Oh, that'd be nice. Let's see if we can find a match under number 18, please.
Silver punch bowl set. No match for you, so we'll go to our champion, Edward.
Jeez, and I wasn't even paying attention. Off in Malaysia. Let's go behind number 13.
Diamond and amethyst ring.
And let's go behind number 10 for a match.
A wild card makes it a match. The other diamond and amethyst ring is right next door, number 14. 3 panels opening up. Some of you may have been wondering about Ed's comment regarding off in Malaysia. The reference is to the fact that on yesterday's program, he won a vacation in Malaysia. He's pretty excited about that. But right now, pick 2 more numbers.
Right, number 19.
Wild card again. Now you can start getting all
That'll
shades
work.
over again.
And let's try behind number 9.
Leather garment bag. The other leather garment bag at number 11. That's for your holiday in Malaysia. Open it up.
Love those leather garment bags.
You're a salesman. You ought to be able to find something positive about everything we have up here.
Well, I'm only a salesman in theory. My sales don't reflect that. But
I see.
Let's go behind number 22.
Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.
Oh, I should have kept that wild card, huh? Let's try behind number 4 for a match.
Recliner, no match. Diane?
Let's see if we could find a good prize on number 7.
We always have a good prize. How about a betting ensemble?
Oh, that'd be nice. Let's see if we can find a match under number 21.
No, there's a green take there. Edward?
All right, let's go behind number 24.
Betting ensemble?
And number 7.
Betting ensemble? Diane kind of helped me on that one.
It did, just a little bit.
Come on, give it back.
Open it up for him. Pick again.
All right, let's look behind number 4. Okay.
Recliner.
Recliner, right. And number 17.
Cash pot. That obviously is not a match. Diane, can you make a match?
Let's see if we look under number 20, please.
Encyclopedia set.
Let's see if we can find a match or a wild card under number 23.
Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Ed?
Let's look behind number 22.
Mexico.
And number 23, Alex.
That's the match. Puerto Vallarta. All right, Diane, those wild cards are still up there, and the takes are on the board. Edward, take a look. Go again.
All right, let's look behind number 6.
Wild card.
Wild card. And let's look behind number 20.
Encyclopedia set.
I'm Joe.
I know.
Yeah,
I know what you were thinking, Ed. You want to give up selling cars
and
or
sell
being
encyclopedias
and
door
sell
to door.
encyclopedias. Yes. Yes.
Thinking was not in the equation, Alex. That's the problem.
Really?
Yeah.
Where's the other encyclopedia set? Number 3, top line. Let's take a look and see what happens to our puzzle now. Pick again.
Number 5.
Green take.
And number 16.
Is it there? Wrong color. Diane?
Let's take a look at our number 17, please.
Cash pot.
And how about a match under number 4?
Recliner. No match. Edward?
All right, let's try number 15.
Recliner.
And number 4.
Recliner. Match for you. Another chance. Can you solve it? Select again.
Let's look behind number 1, Alex.
Red take.
And number 16.
Red take.
All right, let's love that fishing equipment. Hi.
You know, it's the strangest thing, but when you joined us on the program, the first thought that came to mind, I said, Ed Ewing is a fisher.
He's a fisher, yeah.
He's a fisher, yes. Okay, Edward, take a look at the board right now. Can you solve this puzzle?
Let's see if I can fish for an answer. Is it circuit breaker?
Circuit breaker! Oh, boy. You're going to be very happy about this one. Let's go to the board. Get you to work first.
I promise.
You promise you'll not back out of the
We'll
shot?
back out of the shot, I promise.
Right. Go into the shot.
Okay, here we go. We've got the SIR, the scissors cutting, the B and the rake break, and the air circuit breaker.
Now go back into the shot.
I'm out of the shot again, aren't I? I do that.
Oh,
You know what? I'm afraid of being in a police lineup. That's what it is. Someone's going to pick me out.
Have you been in a police lineup before?
No comment, Alex.
No comment. All right, stay right here. Diane, this is just one strike against you, so we'll take you off the stage for a few moments, and we'll bring you back to play in game number 2. But right now, let's hear from Gene again about Ed's collection of prizes.
A leather garment bag, fishing equipment, a diamond amethyst ring, and an encyclopedia set. The new Encyclopedia Britannica, the 32-volume edition for the whole family to use for home study, looking up facts, or probing subjects in depth. In handsome black bindings furnished by Encyclopedia Britannica and a recliner. The Berkline Touch Motion Wall-Away Recliner with extra generous padding and giant proportions for the ultimate in relaxing comfort. Reclines only 1.5 inches from the wall, furnished by Berkline. And the bedding ensemble, Dakota's beautiful comforter in the fanfare pattern, plus a box pleated bed skirt, pillow shams, and decorative pillows. Unusual designs and quality materials furnished by Dakota. And Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Puerto Vallarta, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Crystal Vallarta in Puerto Vallarta. Over 25 acres of relaxation, fun, and entertainment. Superb Mexican hospitality furnished by the Crystal Vallarta. And Ed, this prize package is worth a lot more than you can make selling cars. $5,078.
Well, wait a minute, Gene. If he sells the cars, he can make a lot in commissions. It's just that he hasn't been selling cars.
I'm supposed to know that.
Maybe you could win a car for yourself.
That'll work. That'll work.
That's more fun, isn't it?
That's much more fun.
All right, we'll let you have a shot at that with a new system.
New system, yes.
Edward Ewing didn't do well with his roommate's system.
No.
Did a little bit better with his own system. Now we have the combination of the two systems, almost guaranteeing a brand new car.
Almost.
Have you ever said that to a client? I almost guarantee
I've
that
said almost to a lot of people, but anyway.
All right. 15 numbered squares, the clock. 5 seconds more, you're up to 45 seconds. Good luck, Ed.
All right.
Win a car.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
Nope.
7, 3.
No.
7, 1.
Nope.
No. 9, 10.
No.
3, 10.
Right.
11, 12.
Yes.
13, 2.
No.
1, 13.
Right.
4, 15.
Nope.
No. 14. No. 8.
No.
6. No. 9. 9.
No.
No. 14.
Kind of losing it.
Kind of
aren't you?
losing it. Losing it big time, Alex. Losing it big time.
Let's show him 4-7. Can we show him 4-7?
4-7. Let's.
That's 4-7. That was the Excel that you went all around and never made
got to.
that
I'm
match.
bringing shame to my friends and family,
No,
Alex.
no, you're
It's
not. You
pretty.
just got
It's
thrown
not
off
pretty.
a little bit. But meanwhile, in the games, you're fantastic.
Kinda like-
$10,500 for you.
Kind of like Napoleon got thrown off at Waterloo. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. All right. We'll take a break. We'll be back. Don't go away. Don't go away.
I'm not going out.
You're playing again. Challenger on today's program, Diane Lopez, has one strike against her. She's sitting next to me. Also, she lost that first game, so we'll put the X in the box, and you don't want to lose this game. You would like to win this game, Diane, because if you
Sure
do,
would.
you could enjoy this super prize.
Vive la France! While dining in a sidewalk cafe, you and a guest will fall in love with the world's most romantic city, Paris! We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Paris. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the ultra-modern Pullman Hotel Saint-Jacques. On the exciting left bank in Paris, enjoy gourmet food and famous French hospitality furnished by the Pullman Hotel Saint-Jacques. And now, back to Monsieur Trebek.
Thank you, Jim. I don't know why it is, but people who wear fake mustaches think that they have to wiggle their mustache. Diane and Edward, take a look on our board. We'll show you where that great vacation in Paris can be found. At number 3. Diane, you go first.
You know, I want to go to Paris, and I'd like to have a match or wild card to number 19, please.
Let's see if it's there. No, 18-piece cookware set.
Hey, that's good. How about number 16?
Boy, you settled pretty fast.
That's good.
Going from Paris to an 18-piece cookware set.
Hey,
But
I'm versatile.
what's great about your selection of 16 is that you're going to make the match automatically, and you'll get a chance to select again. So right now, let's show you where the other 18-piece cookware set is. Lower right-hand corner. You'll get a look at 3 pieces of the puzzle to start you off. Pick again.
Okay.
Now find Paris.
Okay. How about a look under number 12, please?
Paris.
And how about the match under number 3?
Ah, yes. Did you notice something, Ed?
What's that?
She really got excited over the cookware, didn't she?
She did. Oh,
Paris is just.
I was jealous when I saw the cookware go on
I
the
know
board.
you
I'll
were.
send you a postcard.
From the cookware?
From the cookware.
Oh, from Paris. Well, right now we're going to open these 2 panels for you, Diane. Why is it that the color blue makes people laugh? I never understand that either. Diane, select.
Okay, let's find. How about a take in case Ed gets something? Under number 9.
Hardwood flooring.
That's nice. How about a match or wild card under number 22, please?
No, a food processor. Ed, I don't know how to take what Diane said a moment. In case you get
In
something.
case I get something.
Yeah, maybe I better
Jeez.
stand over here in case you get something.
Oh,
Pick 2 numbers.
Pick 2 numbers. There we go. Wake me up. Number 7, Alex.
7, Alex.
7,
Tennis
Alex.
server and rackets.
And number 15 for a match.
No, that's a CD player. Diane, we come right back to you.
Number 23, please.
Deli meat slicer.
Okay, and how about a match or a wild card under number 6?
Hardwood flooring. No match. Ed,
All right, let's look behind number 9.
hardwood
All right,
flooring.
and behind number 6 for the
6
match.
for the match. Yes, indeed, on that same line. All right, let's see what these 2 highly positioned squares will reveal. Ah. Edward, pick again.
All right, let's look behind number 13.
diamond and sapphire pendant.
Let's look for a match behind number 23.
Deli meat
Oh, it's
slicer.
a deli meat slicer. of
Diane?
course.
Okay, how about that diamond and sapphire piece of jewelry under number 10?
Chinese porcelain lamps.
Okay, how about a match or wild card under number 2?
No, that's a red take. I don't know about you two guys, but that thing staring at me like that is starting to get on my nerves. Ed?
Getting a case of Willie's myself, Alex. Let's look
Right.
for number 2.
Red
We
take.
just saw that, didn't we? Oh, man. And let's look for a match behind number 24.
Diamond and sapphire pendant. No match. Diane?
How about number 24, please?
24.
And how about a match to that under number 13?
13 for the pendant. Yes. 3 good prizes up there for you, Diane. Well, 2 good and the cookware set. Open it up. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 17, please?
Deli meat slicer.
And the match to that under number 23?
Sure. We saw it there a couple of times.
Hey.
Another look at the puzzle for you, Diane.
Okay.
Go again.
Okay, let's see if we can find a piece of that puzzle under number 1.
CD player.
And did we see that under number 15?
Yes. CD player again. Another look. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 11?
Green take.
How about number 18?
Food processing. No match there. Edward.
All right, let's look behind number 10, Alex.
Chinese porcelain lamps.
And let's look for a match behind number 5.
No.
No.
Tennis server and rackets. Back to Diane, just like that.
Okay, let's take a look under number 14, please.
Wild card.
That's great. Okay, I'd like to see you piece that puzzle under number 2.
Number 2 is a red take. The other red take is at number 8. Here's your chance to grab some hardwood flooring. I know you've been going through life lately saying, I need hardwood flooring.
I think I'll save it.
Oh, okay.
I'll save
Couldn't
it.
talk her into the flooring. I'm not a very good salesman. Diane, take a look at the puzzle.
Okay.
Pick again. Whoa, there's the bell. You won't get a chance to go for the hardwood flooring after all. We're going to start revealing. You ring in when you think you can solve it. 4, 5. Edward.
Out of sight and out of mind.
Is it out of sight and out of mind? No, it is not. So, Diane, here's your big chance to win a holiday in Paris. Study the puzzle as we reveal it all. Diane?
Is it out of sight and out of mind?
Is it out of sight and out of mind? No, it is not. All right, hands on your signaling buttons. I'm going to assist you. Both of you made the same mistake. You added a word. Diane's first.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Out of sight, out of mind. Yes. Oh, boy. Come on, let's go to this board over here. Are you going to be a happy lady over this?
In Paris, I will be.
Yes. Break it down.
Okay, here we have the ow and the dove for out of, and then the S plus the I and the T out of sight, and then the ow, dove, and then mind plus the D. Out of mind, out of sight, out of mind.
Out of mind. I know you're nervous because you won so big. And we're going to say goodbye. This is just the first strike against you, so you're going to be in our next match. But right now, we'll take you off stage. See you in a bit. All righty. Are you ready?
I am.
Gene, tell her about these prizes. They're terrific.
A deli meat slicer, an 18-piece cookware set, and a CD player. Sharp's remote control compact disc player features a 3-beam laser pickup, double oversampling, and random playback of up to 20 selections, furnished by Sharp, and a diamond sapphire pendant. Part of Kate Jewelers' classic collection, this elegant pendant contains an oval sapphire surrounded by 12 diamonds. Set in 14-karat gold, may add fire to any wardrobe, furnished by Kate Jewelers. And, of course, beautiful Paris. And Diane, this prize amount is out of sight because you have prizes totaling $6,849.
Big win, Diane. Congratulations.
Thank you.
The car round right after this. All right, Diane, first time. 15 numbered squares, base time on the clock for you, 35 seconds.
Okay.
Good luck, off you go.
1, 3,
No,
4, 6,
no,
7, 9, 1, 9,
Right.
10, 11,
No.
13, 8,
No.
12, 2,
No.
3, 7,
Nope.
15, 5,
No.
10, 3,
No.
12.
What do you care? You've got Paris. Paris. Hey, you made a match and a half. Don't worry about it. $6,849 for you, and you're going to play in our next game, too. Break time. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive an assortment of fun games with Glassnotes, a game of Soviet-American diplomacy, Digi-Disco Brainbuster, Baker Street and Gagline, all furnished by John N. Hansen Company. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
See you tomorrow. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.